Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course, as you can see here guys, this is the ARTlii Energon 1 home theater projector system. And as you can see here, it's up and running on my laptop and everything is working just fine. You can see it here on the wall. And of course, the current size is at 100 inches, which is the equivalent to a 100-inch display. And of course, it can go up to 250-inch display if you have the space or the room for it. Alright, and as you can see here, this is the touchpad here with the direction keys. There's also M for menu and the S button for source, which you can use to change which input you have from AV, HDMI, RGB, USB, and so on. And of course, you can always switch between, including SD card, and everything is at a simple light touch. The touchpad works flawlessly and is a great addition. And of course, you don't have to worry about buttons wearing out, as these are just capacitive touch buttons. As you can see here, this is the menu option. You have picture set to standard. You can reduce noise, set to medium by default, aspect ratio, color temperature, projection direction. You can reduce stuff. You can go into sound mode, sleep timer, and so on. You can set by default. And of course, there is the on-screen settings for the language and so on that you can actually set from here, and everything is set up flawlessly and works right out of the box. You can also notice here again you have the back button. You also have a power button on the projector right there, and of course you can see the inputs at the back here, HDMI and so on. There is a tilt button here. You can actually tilt with this lever right here, and of course above that there is the focus that's used to control the focus of the image on the wall right there that's being projected. And I must say guys that the projected image on this thing is just beautiful. Although it's not on a projector screen, it's still quite nice. And of course this is a well lit room that's actually outputting that there's natural light, as there's a window behind me right here. And of course, still yet due to the brightness of this projector, it's working flawlessly. Alright guys, so this is some footage from the projector, and this is my own footage, so I'm just going to play. And as you can see here guys, these are some vacation photos, and these are just to show you the color reproduction and the full capabilities of the projector. And be reminded again guys that it's the middle of the day and there's natural light coming through the window, and this is not a totally dark room, and these are less than ideal conditions. Just to show you the power of the Energon 1, it's almost perfect. Look, check out this night scene here. As you can see, the lights, everything comes off quite nicely. You can actually see the shadows. You can notice here, you can see the smoke, and everything is beautifully reproduced. This is also great for movies or any form of entertainment that you may want to enjoy. It's like having the theater experience at home. And here again is another night scene. You can see the natural lighting and so on. And of course, this is outputted at 1080p, which is full HD or full high definition. And the Energon 1 easily rivals, if not surpass, most other projectors on the market, especially those that you might encounter, such as some TVs and so on. It's also in a more portable format, so that means you can actually move this around. It can be used for presentations or a variety of uses, and it's so flexible. And as you can see here, this is a day scene, and you can actually see everything quite nicely. Full 1080p footage showing off some natural and beautiful scenery here. And as you can see here too, this is day again, late evening, and you can actually check out the footage showing the water feature, the fire elements, the greenery, and everything just looks perfect on this projector here. Here we have another night scene again, and you can see everything being beautifully reproduced. It's almost as if you're actually there, if you actually experience this in person. And I highly recommend this projector. It has done a marvelous job. The designers have put everything into this, and it's well worth the retail price, as it's performing flawlessly, as you can see here by these basic images showing off some of the video capabilities of this projector right here. Alright, so as you can see, great footage from the projector. Everything simply works flawlessly. Great color reproduction, and of course I'm very impressed with the Energon 1 from ARTlii, and I highly recommend it as a home theater projector. It's great for PS4 gaming, or if you have an Xbox, it's also great as a TV. Everything actually works from TV, dongle, Netflix, you name it. You can actually hook this up to the device and it will work flawlessly. Okay guys, as you can see here, this is the PlayStation 4 setup with the projector over here, and as you can see, this is the ARTlii Energon 1, and you can see it's all set up and running quite fine. This is the interface. We're on a 100 screen display. Projection size maximum that can be achieved is 200 to 250 inches. So I'll say this is the 100-inch display. Quite actually awesome in real life. Okay, this is God of War running on the PS4, and of course you can see the control over there. You can do check out the graphics, 100 inches, and I'll just give you a sweeping landscape. So you can do is check out here guys. The graphics looks quite cool, huge compared to the character here. Everything is just gigantic. Alright, so here's gameplay guys. For scale, this is me. So as you can see here guys, this is PS4 Pro God of War, and as you can see here, there's no input lag. The game works flawlessly and it's just straight fluid gameplay, and I've played this game through. As you can see, this is the new game plus. Just playing it back over to show you how fluid gameplay is. But one of the coolest things guys is how immersive the experience is on the Energon 1 due to the size and scale. And of course, see, this is just 100 inches. I could actually get up to 200 or 250 inches, as I've said before. That would mean that it would be an even greater or more immersion. And as you can see here with God of War, you're just right up next to the action. It beats any TV or any regular TV at 100 inches. So instead of buying a regular TV, guys, you can actually use the Energon 1 as a gaming projector. And being a gaming projector, you can bet it is optimized to make sure that your Xbox or PS4 or any other console such as from Nintendo works nicely. And of course, I am loving it combined with my PS4 Pro, and of course I would recommend it as well for any of your media needs. Alright guys, I'm going to do a sound test with the Energon 1. As you can see, it's running in the background. That's the projector, and I'm just going to show you what level of sound is produced. Just notice the meter will read the sound that's been produced. This is right next to the projector. Alright, so as you can see, we're getting about quiet library level, and that's right next to the thing there, and medium. I could actually tweak this for more silence. As we said, it's on medium now, and it says basically it runs at about the pace of a library, or what would a quiet library would be. So you see, it's more than enough for optimum room performance. And of course, I would never be sitting right next door to it, but at best I'll be sitting a few feet away, which would mean that the sound would be less. Alright, so the sound level is good. At best, I would say always try to mount it some distance away from you for the best performance, or in case you need whisper quiet, simply turn down the settings so the fan speed can be reduced so you get the optimum noise. This can be done in sound settings. Alright guys, here are some pictures just showing you the picture quality of the projector. So as you can see here, So as you can see, beautiful color reproduction, and this is at 100 inches. You can see reflections, color correction or color reproduction is almost perfect, especially if you have a projector screen. Currently I'm just projecting it off a wall, but you can see the quality, which would be improved by a white background even more. Web browsing is also good. As you can see, this is a product listing for the ARTlii projector. And of course, guys, I'll also have a coupon code which I might put on screen and on below in the description. This should be available in a few days. Currently, it's not stocked as yet. You'll also be able to check the retail price. I'll put both links in the description. As you can see here, you can actually check out from early, and you could actually add this to your listing on Amazon. But as you can see too, guys, this is what web browsing looks like on the Energon one. Quite large. Here we have YouTube. Energon website. Also link in description. You can see some of the features such as image clarity, the product itself. You can see how bright it is in lumens. 4200 lumens, which is very bright. Even in daylight, you should still be able to use the projector indoor, especially as long as the room is not super bright. Works flawlessly, even better at night. Alright guys, so let's do some pixel peeping to see how sharp the image is on screen. As you can see, you can just barely see the pixels. Alright, that's the close off, guys, and of course you can see the pixels here, but let's just close off. So first of all, this product overall, I give it a very high rating. It's thumbs up straight throughout. Everything from image quality all the way back to overall performance. The Energon one has outperformed in every category, and of course, as you have seen through my review, I am very impressed with all aspects of it. All connected devices including dongles and so on works flawlessly. You can hook up a laptop or any other cable box or media device that you have, and it will actually work. It has every conceivable connection you could need, and of course even in less than ideal conditions it still works well. And of course, guys, one of the things I love about the Energon one is the thought that went behind the design and functionality. It does not run hot. It works even better in the dark with, as you can see here, I've just shown when I turn off the lights, you can see that the clarity increase as soon as I turn off the lights. And of course there's a built-in speaker, and they're actually quite good for a projector speaker, so you don't have to worry about getting additional speakers or sound. It does produce its own sound, and it's just like a smart TV in that you can just hook up what you need, and once you hook it up it will be a standalone device, just like a full-fledged smart TV. And of course the designers have included everything you would possibly need, so it's a small investment for all the features that you'll actually get. So check out the full review on the blog. Remember that the coupon codes are below in the description. It's Product Order from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.